Jai Hind. In this video, I'll share TCS NQT 7th and 8th July both slot coding question. So let's start. This is the first question. This question asked 7th July morning shift. I can say slot 1. Question was easy. You can read the question. In this video, I'll discuss only the question, not the solution. What you have given it, that is 12-hour format, AM and PM format. You need to convert into 24-hour format. So that is the question. Easy, to be honest. You can see the same sample input and output like this. You need to convert into that is PM. PMs mean 7 plus 12. You need to add it. If AM, you don't need to add it anything. If PM, then you need to add it just plus 12. That is the question. You need to add it plus 12. Of course, in the string, yeah, it is the string. Complete the time conversion function. It must return a new string. So you can get the value and you can add it 12 only if the last second value is P, because you have only two options. Either is any time it can be like 12, or you can say 3, then 4, and then 4:45 am, or it can be PM. So you have two options. For the AM, you don't need to do anything. Just remove last two part and you can return as it is. But for the PM part, you just need to add it 12. But 12 added where? In the beginning. So first find the beginning character and you can add it. So that is the question. It was easy question, to be honest. If you need the solving video, so comment I'll make. I'm trying to make this video in English. So that is okay. Next, move to the next question. Next question to be not easy. This is heap question, and you can check out this question actually. Top K most frequent element. In Infosys my interview, this question was asked. That is common question. Mean heap approach. So K based product selling, or you can say top K frequent element. Just do this question. Lead code question. So that is medium question. So the question two, it can be hard, easy, depend on the slot and your luck. Third, no, not third question. You can say this is 7th July slot 2 question. So first question, a given array of integer, replace element with position rank. So I'm opening the lead code. You can check the question. Lead code 1331. Rank transform of array. So this question solution, you can use the map plus sorting. That is the solution. If you need the solution video, let me comment, or let you comment, let me know. Okay. And you can join is the code 2020 Sandbags. Do join 2020 Sandbags WhatsApp channel where I am sharing the tips or anything related update to the your on campus. Also, you can ask me any question if you have need any help, any guidance, anything. So the first question, second question also is the second question actually should be first question. Roman to integer. Sorry, integer to Roman. No, Roman to integer. Roman to integer. This one. So you have given the Roman. Sorry, you are given the integer, you need to convert into Roman. I have written wrong part. Integer to Roman. Okay, this one. So this was the question. So you can practice it. That is medium, but you can say a easy question compared to the first one. First one map sorting. Second one also easy. So you can see the 8th July. This means today. Okay. I am making video in 8th July. The slot one question, prime factorization. What does mean? I'll explain the question, not the solution. I'll give hint. Prime factors means if you given n equal to suppose 40, prime you need to factor prime like 2 power 40 you can divide how? I can divide by 2. 2 power how? Like 12, sorry 24. Then 2, how much? 12. Then 2, then you can 6. Okay. Then you can also divide 2, 3. So 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. So that is called prime factorization. How many to 2 power 4? And only 1. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 into 3. That is 48. So you need to prime like n number. You need to divide into A, B, C. And all the A, B, C should be prime. And it can be any power. So dot dot dot, that is basic question, to be honest. And prime number, you can check out 2, 5, 7, 11, that is called prime number. So it should be some like condition. Second question, quick sort, you should know sorting algorithm, most important part, sorting algorithm. They are asking question from the sorting, like above question you need to do sort. And last question, that is second slot, binary search. You need to apply binary search and find, you need to find lower bound. You can search lower bound question, easy one. Lower bound, GFGO lead code, you can open any link to practice, just practice it. Okay, this is the question. And last step of addition is, that is prime algorithm find. Whenever you need to calculate prime number between range, like you need to calculate prime number between A to B, or you can say A lower bound to upper bound, or low to high, then you can apply sieve or save, whatever the pronunciation abstain is. Please check this one, one of the most important algorithm. Actually, Infosys also asked me in interview, because I was given interview, now kindly speak. So that is, I have discussed all the 8 questions. So you have 8 questions. So do practice. If you need solution video, you can comment. I tried this video make in English. So if anything idhar udhar hua, so forget it.